How to fix muted video on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to fix muted video on TikTok. First, launch or open the TikTok mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. After that, tap on this option here named Inbox. As you get on this page, you will see messages that people have sent you. You will also see system messages from TikTok. So tap here, System Notifications. You will land on this other page where you will see all these different information that TikTok has sent you. Look for one about an audio with a copyright issue. If you see it, then it means the reason your video does not have an audio is because of copyright issues, so you cannot use the audio. Otherwise, do the following. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your account. After that, tap on the profile section of the account. A section with several options appears as you can see here. From the options, tap on this one here named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok where you can manage and make changes to the settings of your account. Next, scroll down, continue scrolling until you reach this section here named Support and About. Under the section, there are several options. From the options that are here, tap this one named Report a Problem. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. As you can see here, there are several different options that will take you to different parts of your account. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here named Creation. Tap on it. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see. From the options that are here, tap on this one here named Sounds. Wait for the page to finish loading. After that, you will see different options here that are trying to give solutions to the issue you are facing. Ignore them and tap this option here named Other. You will see this page that is asking you if you have found a solution. Tap on the dislike button here. After that, proceed and tap on this other button here named Need More Help. Finally, you will land on this feedback box where you are supposed to type a short message informing TikTok about the issue and ask them to fix the issue. Make sure you explain to them clearly. After that, tap here and the message will be sent to the TikTok support team. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix muted video on TikTok.